On the plains, the day begins early. Feeding time for the flock is a daily ritual.
A specialized diet ensures the birds get the nutrients they need. The operation transitions to a modern, climate-controlled environment. This state-of-the-art facility houses thousands of emus, designed for optimal welfare.
Climate control is crucial. Misters and fans keep the birds cool in the heat.
Daily health checks are performed by trained staff to monitor the flock's condition.
Feed is prepared in a specialized mixing area, automated for precision.
Combining proteins and vitamins for optimal growth and health. Even the water is purified, using UV sterilization to eliminate any contaminants.
Finally, the birds are processed and carefully packed for transport.
Upon arrival, the birds are moved into the fully automated processing facility.
An advanced system manages the flow, ensuring efficiency and control.
Technicians and quality control staff monitor every stage of the process.
The automated line moves them efficiently to the next stage.
After separation, the hides undergo a specialized tanning and finishing process.
Each piece is handled with care, preserving the unique feather patterns. The resulting leather is both durable and incredibly soft, with a unique finish. The most prized leather features this unique quill pattern, a hallmark of emu skin.
Quality control is paramount. Each hide is inspected by hand for imperfections.
The hides are graded and sorted by quality, ready to be shipped to luxury goods manufacturers. The graded hides are sorted. Only the finest, most flawless pieces earn the premium classification. From here, the hides begin the tanning process, starting with a thorough industrial wash. They tumble for hours in a specialized tanning solution to preserve and soften the leather. After tanning, each hide is meticulously stretched and smoothed onto drying trays. This ensures the leather dries flat, preserving the unique quill pattern. The hides are then placed on racks to be cured in climate-controlled rooms. For the final finishing, the dried hides are passed through heavy roller presses.
This process softens the leather and ensures a uniform thickness.
The pressure flattens and permanently sets the leather fibers. This final press leaves the hide with a consistent, soft, and luxurious feel, ready for manufacturing. The pressure from the rollers flattens and permanently sets the leather fibers. After a final, meticulous inspection, the hide is officially appraised and tagged. Inspectors work in teams to scrutinize every inch, ensuring no flaw is missed.
This dedicated team is responsible for the final word on quality, examining texture, softness, and integrity.
The next stage is coloration. The hides are sent to the dyeing room for specialized treatment. For a consistent finish, a fine mist of dye is applied evenly by skilled technicians. Other hides are fully submerged in vats for a deep, penetrating color saturation. This process is also used on the unique, feathered portions of the hide, fully saturating every fiber.
After dyeing, the hides are buffed to soften the texture and bring out the vibrant color.
A final press ensures the leather is perfectly smooth, concluding the long transformation process.
The dyed hides are then buffed and polished to achieve the final desired texture and sheen.
Different machines are used to treat the surface, enhancing its unique characteristics.
In a unique, high-tech process, the furry hides are washed and treated in a submerged state.
This gentle process cleans the fibers without damaging the delicate fur.
A combination of brushing and water jets ensures a thorough and precise cleansing. Once all processes are complete, the finished hides are sorted one last time.
From here, the hides are moved to manufacturing. Digital patterns are projected onto the leather.
And high-speed lasers cut the components with perfect accuracy.
The cut pieces are collected and stacked, ready for assembly.
This technology allows for incredible detail and zero waste, marking the final step before the product is born.
Workers oversee the collection, sorting the scraps by type and color. These scraps will be reprocessed into composite materials, ensuring a circular economy. After the final finishing, the primary hides undergo a critical manual grading process. Hides are separated based on texture, color consistency, and the perfection of the quill pattern. This final human inspection ensures every piece meets the most exacting standards before shipping. Some premium hides require a final curing in precisely controlled climate chambers. The hides are left for several hours, allowing the leather to stabilize at a perfect temperature and humidity. Each hide is loaded by hand onto racks to ensure air circulates freely during the curing process. A final protective or textural powder coating is applied, completing the leather's long journey from farm to factory. After curing, the hides pass through a final automated finishing line. A specialized sealant is applied, locking in the color and protecting the unique texture.
This treatment is applied to all hide types, ensuring uniform protection.
A final blast of air or texturizing powder is applied to perfect the surface finish.
Following the treatment, the hides enter a long drying tunnel. High-velocity air circulates, gently but quickly drying the fur and leather.
This system can process hundreds of hides per hour. A massive bank of fans creates a powerful, controlled airflow.
The fur is gently fluffed and dried as it passes the fans.
And at the end of this long, complex journey, a simple mark of perfection. Pass.
Even the underlying fiber structure is inspected to guarantee integrity and strength.
For bespoke pieces, a final sealant is applied by hand, enhancing the luster. This hand-applied finish provides an extra layer of protection and shine.
Each piece is given this final, personal touch, ensuring it meets the luxury standard.
The finished, inspected hides are then packed for shipment to luxury fashion houses. Each hide is individually wrapped to protect its perfect finish during transit.
The orders are sealed, labeled, and prepared for the automated shipping line.
In the logistics bay, an automated system applies the final tracking labels.
Packages are automatically wrapped to protect them from the elements during transit.
And the cycle of innovation continues as new, recycled, composite materials are developed, blending color and chemistry.
This recycled material is blended into a new, durable, composite base.
Pure, concentrated pigments are added, creating the custom colors for the new material. Simultaneously, in another wing, natural hides are digitally scanned for flaws and unique patterns.
This automated line can process thousands of hides, applying finishers and sealants with robotic precision.
The finished hides are collected and stacked, ready for the next stage, manufacturing.
The dyed hides are sorted by color and quality, showcasing a vibrant palette. Specialty textured hides, now complete, are also prepared for the assembly line.
The finest pieces are not just manufactured, they are crafted. Artisans begin the meticulous assembly. On the assembly line, skilled workers use industrial machines to stitch the tough leather. Each stitch is a perfect blend of high technology and human skill, bringing the final product to life. From the factory floor, the finished leather moves to the design studio. Here, creative teams develop new concepts, blending the unique material with their vision.
Dozens of colors and finishes are reviewed to create the season's palette.
Once the design is approved, patterns are made, carefully tracing each component onto the hide.
The final pieces are presented, the culmination of the design and manufacturing process. The final assembly begins, starting with hand finishing and quality control. Skilled workers stitch the complex shapes, handling the tough, textured material.
A montage of stitches as the flat hides are transformed into three-dimensional products.
Even the hardware, like zippers, must be perfectly aligned and stitched with power.
The final, precise stitches bring the garment together, concluding the product's creation.
The final assembly is a work of precision, as hardware is expertly stitched into place. The material is so tough, yet the product so delicate, that some stitching requires specialized gloves. An entire floor is dedicated to the assembly, where 100 hands bring the designs to life.
From assembly, the finished garments move to the final inspection and sorting lines, separated by collection. The result is a product of unparalleled quality, with a price tag to match. Each item is given a final steam and tag, preparing it for the customer.
For bespoke or limited edition pieces, a premium tag is laser engraved with the collector's price.
The product is then placed in its final, branded, luxury packaging. The packing line works with speed and care, preparing the jackets for shipment.
From a raw hide to a luxury good, the journey is complete. The product is ready for the world.
The assembly line is a symphony of skilled hands and high-powered machines.
Once stitched, every garment undergoes a final, manual quality check.
The inspected product is then carefully placed in its luxury packaging. It is sealed for protection before the box is closed.
In other parts of the factory, different product lines are in full assembly.
Each worker is a specialist, handling the complex material with practiced ease.
From jackets to luxury handbags, the same leather is crafted into a variety of high-end goods. The finished products, in their gift boxes, are packed into shipping cartons. The shipping department is a flurry of activity, moving hundreds of orders. The final packages are sealed, scanned, and sent out, completing the journey from farm to fashion. The finished, packaged goods are loaded for global distribution.
The most exclusive items are packed last for direct shipment.
The journey from farm to fashion is complete. The products are now on their way to luxury boutiques and customers around the world.
A global supply chain rooted in the earth.
But it all begins here, with the land, and the sustainable farming of the birds.
Our focus has always been on animal welfare.
It's not just about the final product, it's about a responsible process from start to finish.
We're incredibly proud of what we've built here. It's a testament to the land and the animals.
It's simple, really. You take care of the birds and they take care of you. That's the secret.
We're proud to be part of a story that values quality from the first day on the farm.
Got to the final day in the boutique.
The final product, now a statement piece of luxury fashion.
Customers inspect the unique texture and unparalleled craftsmanship.
A symbol of quality, rarity, and a new standard in sustainable luxury. A product that carries a story, from the farm to the factory to the final customer.